This ghost first appeared on November 21st in 1965, but it started appearing everywhere in 1998 after the movie The Big Lebowski.
The spirit I used for the ghost is vodka because what this is a white Russian. There's two ways to make the white Russian, one where the cream floats on the top and one where you stir it in and the whole thing becomes white. I'm going to shake it because I want the whole thing to become white and cold. Then I'll remove the cubes, smoke the top, and pour it in, and it will look like a ghost. So I'm going to add some ice, 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlúa, and 1 ounce of cream. Now, even though the cream is cold, I want the whole drink completely chilled. Smoke is already coming out, so I want to turn it down to low. I'm just going to hover over the drink, turn the toggle switch to the center, which is off, and in the spirit of Halloween, this is your ghost.
Take it easy, and the dude abides.